When you're in Massachusetts, sometimes you see wild turkeys. Let's see if I can make them gobble. Nope, they didn't gobble. There's some there and some there. Looks like 5 Jakes or maybe Toms because they look like they're coming of age. They are known as Eastern wild turkeys. I'm trying to, but they are quiet. They don't want to gobble. See, they're quiet. They're not gobbling. They look fairly young, like they're old enough. They're definitely mature. So I'm going to say they're 5 Jakes because their snoot isn't as long. The snoot is that thing on their face, that little nubby thing on top of their head isn't that long. So these are probably a year old is my guess. All right, see you turkeys. Bye. Bye.